Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Mac computer like app switcher in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google just search for one application name as hdlx/Mac app switcher. On the first list you'll see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here just below the releases, just click on it. Now here you will see two download options. The first one is for the ARM processor, and if you're using a Intel AMD processor, then kindly download this into 68 or 64.zip. So right now I'm using an Intel processor, so I'm gonna download this one. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click on it. So finally the application has started. So now on your computer keyboard you need to press Alt and Tab together. So now you can see here, if you keep tapping the Alt and Tab, then it will keep switching from one app to another. So say you want to open this respective application which we have selected. Now if you release the Alt and Tab, now it will open the respective application. So if you want to disable this feature, then on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the text manager and just scroll down below. Now you will see here one application name, Mac app switcher. Just select it and just click on this End Task. Now the respective feature which we have used just recently will get disabled. So by using this application named as Mac app switcher, you can easily get Mac computer like app switcher in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.